Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the hydrocarbon, molecules made only of hydrogen and carbon. By the end of this video you'll know the two key combustion equations and how they differ in real engines. A hydrocarbon is a compound made only of hydrogen and carbon atoms. No oxygen, no nitrogen, just H and C. Crude oil is essentially a giant mixture of hydrocarbons. Burned in plenty of oxygen, they give carbon dioxide and water. With limited oxygen, you get incomplete combustion, carbon monoxide and soot. Three things. 1. Only H and C atoms. Anything else and it's not a hydrocarbon. 2. Complete combustion. Hydrocarbon plus O₂ goes to carbon dioxide plus water. 3. Incomplete combustion produces carbon monoxide, which is toxic, and carbon, soot, bad for engines and for your lungs. Common slip is calling methanol a hydrocarbon. Methanol is CH3OH. It contains an oxygen, so it's not a hydrocarbon. Methane, CH4, is. Always check the formula contains only hydrogen and carbon before calling it a hydrocarbon. Quick example. Methane burning cleanly, CH4 plus 2O2 goes to CO2 plus 2H2O. With insufficient oxygen, it can produce carbon monoxide instead, the silent killer. That's why gas appliances need good ventilation and why carbon monoxide detectors save lives. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks in maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.